Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're exploring Japandi 2.0, a richer, more grounded interpretation of the minimalist style that's grown in popularity over the past few years. While classic Japandi blends Japanese Zen elements with Scandinavian design, this evolved take leans further into the earthy textures, muted tones and rustic details found in Belgian interiors, particularly those styled by designers like Axel Vervoordt. So here are 5 ways to introduce this style into your home. 1. Embrace a deeper, earthier colour palette. This style brings colour to the calm, shifting away from the pale woods and bright whites to a moodier, mineral-rich colour palette. Start with grounding hues like chalky whites, putty and taupe, warm grey, clay and mushroom tones. Then accent with richer colours such as dusty olive and sage, burnt umber, smoky mauve, terracotta, and inky blue or aubergine. Lastly, for contrast, look to muted metals like aged bronze, brushed brass and blackened steel. Two, layer with natural, tactile materials. In Japandi 2.0, the focus is on textural depth. As we shared in our wabi-sabi video, this Japanese philosophy invites us to appreciate the imperfect and the impermanent. This is reflected by choosing materials that patina gracefully over time, gaining richness and character. Consider introducing reclaimed timber for flooring or wall treatments, rattan for warmth, raw concrete for countertops or flooring, and tumbled stone, terracotta tile or weathered brick. Balance these with softer layers such as flax linens, wool or jute rugs, cotton or hemp cushions in slubbed or stone-washed finishes. And natural hand-woven throws or sustainably sourced sheepskins. For a contemporary feel, pair these materials with furniture that features a balance of clean lines, low profiles and organic forms. Look for rounded silhouettes, smooth edges and relaxed slipcovers or upholstery. Three, incorporate Zen-inspired architectural features. JAPANDI 2.0 architecture places strong emphasis on spatial calm, simplicity, proportion, and harmony. Walls can be lime washed, clay rendered, or gently patinated, creating a soft matte surface that reflects and diffuses light. Key architectural elements include exposed oak ceiling beams, large floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors, interior courtyards that enhance the indoor-outdoor flow, shoji screens or sliding partitions, vertical timber slats, and open plan layouts that invite flow and connection. One traditional feature to consider is the Japanese engawa, a covered corridor that once wrapped around the home's exterior. In modern designs, particularly in European settings, it is often reimagined as a transitional walkway connecting interior spaces to the garden. 4. Curate with handcrafted accessories. This style values handmade and intentional objects. Inspired by wabi-sabi, these accessories celebrate and embrace the natural, the imperfect, and the personal. Ideas include kintsugi ceramics, where broken pieces are repaired with gold, rustic metal or wooden collectibles, handmade paper art or washi scrolls, incense holders, vessels for seasonal branches or single stems, echoing the principles of ikebana, and rough, unpolished ceramics. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video so far, please press the like button and subscribe, as it helps us reach more people passionate about styling. 5. Bring in living energy and moments of pause. Next, living energy isn't just about introducing freshness and visual appeal, it's also about inviting a sensory experience that evokes stillness, awareness, and an emotional connection with our surroundings. Some ideas include a beautiful bonsai, tall reaching branches, seasonal blossoms, Ikebana-inspired florals, foraged elements like pine cones, lichen-covered twigs, or driftwood. Finally, if you're building or renovating, consider designing a contemplative internal courtyard or exterior garden courtyard. Inspired by Japanese gardens, these spaces often feature still or flowing water elements, carefully placed rocks or stones, and plants such as moss, maple, or bamboo. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I recommend watching our Japandi and Wabi Sabi videos next. You'll find both linked in the description box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and what resonated with you, so let me know in the comments. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.